Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable for all the judges. First of all, let us thank for God who gives healthy and air for us. Before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Justina Ferezia Simanjuntak. I'm 12 years old and I'm a student of Harvest Christian Junior High School, Berau. As you see, I bring my phone here with me right now. Why? Because I want to tell you that this thing is important for me. I can do many things with my phone, and everything is more easy only by using this phone. As we know in this time, technology also has an important role in our life. And technology usually used for communication and transportation. Talking about technology, what is technology? Technology is the way to help people to fulfill their needs. One of technology that always we used is gadget. What is gadget? Gadget is one of the electronic item that has many functions. The example of gadgets are smartphone, laptop, computer, tab, or iPad. In this situation of COVID-19, gadget needs are increasing. Why? Because in this situation, we are not only using gadget for text someone, take a photo, take a video, do the communication with our families or friend who lives in different places, find a new friend, play games, but also help us to earn money, to do our job, to attend the online class, browsing main information from the internet, and more. As I explained, gadget is really helpful for us. But there are a negative effect if we didn't use the gadget wisely. We have to control ourselves when we use the gadget. How many hours you use your gadget in a day? Well, if you often use your gadget, the effect is more bigger than the other who use the gadget wisely. The negative effects of gadgets are we can get myopic, brain damage as a cause of radiation from the gadget, wasting time so you lost your time with your families or the other important priorities such as time to do your homeworks. As I explained, gadget has a negative effect if we use it too much. And all I want to say is don't waste your time for something that's not really important. For example, play games for hours. But it doesn't mean that we cannot play games or do something by our gadget. But we have to be wisely in using our gadget. And at this quarantine, we have to stay at home, right? But it doesn't mean that we can play gadget all day long. We have to do workout or do something like our hobby. For example, playing music. If you don't have a chosen because of your job, you have to relax your eyes for each 20 minutes. My message for all of us is use your gadget wisely. So that's all about why we should limit our use of gadget. And I hope what I've said is gainful for us. If there were any wrong words in my speech, I'd say sorry about that. And before I end my speech, I want to say thank you for my parents, my teachers, and also my friends for the support. Thank you for your attention.